Learning English, speaking English can be easy for you if you make it easy. But how? How can I make it easy? Right? So please stay with me till the end, and I'm sure this video will be very useful for you to learn this language, to speak English, and must you will learn something new from this video. So good morning everybody, how are you all? I hope that everything is doing great. I am hunky dory. I use this phrase, I am hunky dory. Right now I am recording my video the top of rope in this building. As you know, it's my practice place. Every day try to come here for practicing English, for recording my video. And the most of the common questions always people ask that how can I speak English? How can I learn this language easily? It's not, first of all, it's not our native language, so we can't use this language freely. But if you are try to learn this language, if you are try to speak English, if you are try to use this language, then you must have to follow some tips, some tricks. I think by following all the tips, you will be improving, you will be speaking English, I think. So what all the tips, what all the tricks? In this video I'm going to share with you what all the tips you can learn this language easily. And there are so many good way to learn this language. There are so many great way, really great way to easy easy into learning English. So one of the most great way that is you can learn daily use sentences. Really, if you are try to learn this language, if you are try to start from your zero level, you are try to learn this language, then you can learn daily use sentences. How and why? If you search on YouTube, then there are so many videos you can find, and YouTube will present in front of you so many videos, daily use sentences, so many videos in your native language. You can learn every day, and you have to repeat every day. If you have to repeat, you have to practice with them. And if you are writing, if you are reading, if you are watching video, but if you are not practicing, but if you are not repeating, then you will never speak English, I think. No matter how much busy you are, you have to repeat all the sentence what you have learned. And by I think if you do it, and while doing that, you will must remove your mouth hesitation. Also you will overcome your fear. You can't think that when I was zero level back in my day, I wasn't comfortable to speak English in front of others. Even I couldn't speak English in front of my husband. I used to feel shy a lot. Nowadays I am being able to speak English. Nowadays I can speak English with confidence. I know I make mistake. What if? So that's why I'm telling you, if you do it, and that this type of small practice, this type of small repeat, it will help you a lot to speak English in front of others. So try to do that. Try to practice, try to learn some daily use sentences. If you are trying to learn this language from zero level, it will help you a lot. Next, reading, writing, practicing, watching video, listening English, it also you have to follow every day. You have to add in your daily routine, and you have to maintain your regularity, I think. Not only add, but also you have to apply in your daily routine. Like this way, if you follow all the things, then you will improve within 6 months. I have improved, that's why I'm telling you. I have improved. You can't believe that how I have improved. By listening English every day, try to listen English. I have some problem in my eyes to see, so that's why I used to listen English a lot. And after listening English, you can't believe that automatically I started speaking English. Automatically I started think in English all the things. How it happened? how happened it? Because of speaking English, because of learning English, because of listening English every day. Talk self is very much important. Whenever you get free time, no need to waste your time. You should use your time. You are wasting your time, I think. Scrolling Facebook reel, scrolling Instagram's reel. I think we should not do it. We should watch an educational video to change your life, so that you can express your all the opinion in a better way. As you know, I think no one gets success overnight, no one gets fluency overnight. At least you will try. At least you have to try every day to speak English, to learn this language. It's long process, so it must take time. Don't think about it. You just keep going. Never stop, never stop, never stop learning this language. Just going, keep learning, keep watching video. And if you watch video, I think you will get ideas how to make sentence, how they are saying all the sentence frame with accent. You can easily get in, I think. And what video you have to follow? You have to search on Google, then how to learn English, how to speak English, and you have to find out particular video, particular YouTube channel. Then you have to follow every day to improve this language, to improve your vocabulary level, build up. You have to build up your vocabulary level also, so that you can make sentence with them easily. And by then you have to follow every day their video. You have to watch their video every day to speak English. Never skip, never stop your learning skill, never stop your practicing skill. Every day try to do that and practice. That means something really, if you follow, if you do it, then it will be very easy for you to speak English in front of others. Without practicing, we are not able to speak English. We will never speak English in front of others, I think. Still now I am making mistake, as you know. So while speaking English, if I make mistake, please correct me. As you know, I am learning this language for the 6 months, so I am not master of this language, but I want to learn this language. I want to speak English in front of other. At least I don't want to become good, I don't want to become perfect speaker, but I want to speak this language freely, and all the things I want to explain in English in my daily routine, in my day-to-day life, as you can say. So please stay with me till the end, and please keep watching my video till the end. Thank you so much for watching my video. See you again.